Hello guys and welcome. For today's topic I wanted to speak with you about society and how insane the pressure is. We have to function all the time and you can believe me or not, and I let it in your hands and it's your choice. But in my close environment a lot of people start to ask me questions about how I invest and how I use my spare time. The pressure is pretty high to always have an answer, especially if you don't know all the time the answers, because of events in the market, and nobody of us is able to predict what is going on in the next couple of months. But for this year, this is the first time in my investing career in which I try to build a little bit money aside for events which happens in the stock market and as well in the crypto market. If you look at the fear and greed index, we are in an extreme fear. If people like Michael Saylor have to sell his Bitcoin, a lot of people are in trouble. A lot of people as well over leveraged in crypto. And even Charlie Munger or Warren Buffett said that crypto is just a speculation, it is just a number, and you have to be always in hope that a person will buy your coins with a higher price. They as well say the key message behind this is that crypto has no value behind it. If you compare it against stocks, you own a piece of a company, and if you look at it like this, you are a shareholder instead of just owning stocks. Don't start to build a relationship to specific companies, but if you really understand how 2 to 3 companies work and earn their money and understand their numbers, it will lead your portfolio to success. You don't need a lot of stocks. You don't need to know everything. Just a specific area is enough. Even with this tip, you are still in a risk. If you are an expert in technology, you will just watch at the whole situation as a technology expert. You don't have the overall view about a specific stock, and that puts you as well in risk. Almost nobody in the whole finance space tells you to do the boring stuff. And with that I mean just invest over a long time in an ETF, which is not costing a lot. You have to imagine finance experts who works with teams full-time in investing are not able or almost not able to outperform the market for a long time. And if they are not able to do that, how will you? We have right now the Magnificent 7, and I can promise you in the next 10 years there will be different companies and the order will not be the same like it is right now. So even if you right now outperform the market, it is not a guarantee to do that over a long time. You have to as well start to ask questions about why nobody is telling you to invest into an ETF. And the answer is pretty simple. They don't earn money with that. And if you invest like I do a couple years already and do that continuously, short market dips are not that heavy anymore. I hear a lot of times people say things like, I just bought my stocks or ETF and now the market is going down. You have to look at the whole situation in decades. Does it matter if you buy it now a couple % more or not? And if the price was a little bit higher or not? And I can tell you, no, it doesn't matter. But investing your money is just a vehicle which works with time. If you are in your 20s or 30s and you invest and let the money compound over the next 20 to 30 years, you don't have to worry. It will happen over time and you could automate it so you don't interrupt the compounding and even ask the question, do I have enough money for this month to invest? Because it will be automatically done and you don't have a choice. This makes it easier and the best strategy at all. The same thing happens for YouTube or skills at all. If you do something a lot of times, over a long time, you will be an expert in it. A lot of people will stop in the journey when they don't see immediate results. Now we have something important. Again, late gratification is a key, and discipline. Doing something over a long time without seeing immediate results is the key to success. You have to be focused and do the thing instead of speaking about it, reading about it, or watching videos about it. It doesn't matter. You have to do the thing. YouTube as well is just one vehicle. Another one that I'm doing currently is learning cybersecurity, because I think, and you can make your own research, it is something that will not be gone and replaced by AI. For me, this is my choice that I want to do over the next 20 to 30 years. And even if I get laid off again, I can work as a freelancer, because these exact skills are not that easy to replace. You have to learn all the time and it will compound as well. If you want to see more about this topic and as well want to see anything about cybersecurity, please let me know that and I show you exactly what I'm doing. And I'm still as well in the beginning phase with that, but I see the improvement and I learn high value skills. And you could do that as well. It's just depending on your interest and what you want to do with your life and your time. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.